girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl, Miss EriBabe, coming at y'all today with another video. Today we are going to be fixing my mom's Series 1 Apple Watch at home using this Go Deal toolkit from Amazon. It was about $15. I'll put the link in the description box below. So it does come with some 3M stickers, some tweezers, some like needle sharp tweezers. Like those things are freaking sharp. It also comes with some razor blades, and of course the battery for the watch. And you want to make sure you get your specific series when you order this kit from Amazon. And then in this tool bag here we have a prying tool. We have 2 screwdrivers, which I didn't use because the screen was already off. And we have some picks. We have a metal pick and we have 2 plastic picks that we'll use to pry off the screen if need be. But in this case, the screen is already off. Oh, and then we have these 2 pieces of clear plastic. I'm not sure what those are for, but I did not use those. So, okay, now we have all our materials, and now since the screen is already off of the watch, this happens with Series 1 Apple Watches quite a bit. It's when the battery gets puffy, and it's not exploded, but it gets puffy and swells, causing the screen to lift off of the device itself. So the battery stops to work because it gets puffy. I'm not sure if it gets too hot or what, but it is puffy, as you can see me pressing on it. So I'm just going to take the prying tool and try to pry that battery out carefully, trying not to cause any more trauma to the battery. But just prying that out of the well. It is attached or fixed with some stickiness underneath, so it's a little hard to get out, but it's doable. So now I'm going to detach detach the old battery from the watch using the tweezers, and then I'm going to attach the new battery to the watch using the tweezers. Okay, so I'm going to take the new battery and start to get it ready to be applied to the watch itself. Now the new battery does come with a sticker on the back as well. It is covered by a piece of plastic. So first I'm going to go ahead and attach the 2 prongs together on the watch and then on the battery so that I can connect the 2, and I'm going to squeeze them really tight with those not pliers but tweezers, so that I can get a good connection once I close the watch itself. You want to make sure that you get the battery fitted snugly into its housing so that the glass screen goes onto the watch more smoothly. Next, I am going to take the 3M tape and peel out the outer square of it that is in the shape of the watch, and place that around the screen and onto the well that is there for it, and press that down a little bit. Try not to touch it with my fingers because it is sticky, but pressing that down, and then finally I am going to go ahead and press the screen down, just giving it a little pressure, not too much pressure because you don't want to break the glass, but just give it a little pressure so that the tape can get stuck to it. Alright guys, now we are going to put the Apple Watch onto a charger. You'll see this green snake pop up. That means that you did a good job. And there's my green snake. Thank you for watching my video.